name is Penny Warren, and I'm with Texas AgriLife Extension Service. Are you wondering what's for dinner tonight? Well, if so, you are in luck, because today I have a great, easy recipe that involves beans and avocado. Today we'll be making bean and avocado wraps. I've already combined a couple of my ingredients here. I have 1 can of white beans and 1 ripe avocado. I've already added my avocado to my beans, and I've luckily got my mashed potato masher, and I'm going to go ahead and start mashing the two together. This is going to be our paste or a condiment on our wrap, so it's going to be in the form of a spreadable ingredient. While I'm mashing this, I'm also going to go ahead and add in 1/4 cup of cheddar shredded cheese and 1/4 cup of diced onion. Now you could also add minced onion. I enjoy the texture and the crunch that an onion gives, so I'm going to go ahead and blend these 4 together. I've got a good little mixture going. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and put this aside for now. I'm just going to leave my masher in there. Okay, put it over here to the side. Next, we're going to go ahead and start with our cabbage fill. And I'm going to start with a medium bowl, and I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and the secret ingredient. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chipotle chilies in adobe sauce that you can find in a can. And I'm going to take that. I have chopped this up very fine. I've left the seeds in there, and I'll tell you, if you don't like spicy food, you may add this in a little at a time, as it was hot when I tasted it earlier. So, okay, go ahead and get those together. Then I'm going to pull out my whisk. I'm going to whisk that together. Now we'll be adding our 2 cups of red cabbage. Okay, and in fact, let's go ahead and add that in now. Like I said, this is going to be your fill next to your beans and avocado. Okay. Can y'all see the purple? Oops. They make a little mess. Should have used my scoop on my board. Okay. Put that aside. Okay. And then we're going to take and we're going to mix this around, that vinegar sauce. The chipotle will give it definitely some heat, some good flavor. Now you could have gone with green cabbage if you would have liked, depending on what's best in season. Like I said, this was a little bit more expensive than my green cabbage, but I really like the flavor of red cabbage plus the color. You can't beat it. Okay, that's good and stirred. Next, we're going to go ahead and start assembling our wraps. We are going to take 4 tortillas, and I have chosen to pick whole wheat tortillas in efforts to provide a little bit more fiber to our daily meal. So I'm going to grab a tortilla here, okay, and I'm going to start with my bean and avocado dip, okay, just like you would a paste. We're going to set that aside, and we're going to go ahead and add this in. Now, you can put anywhere to 1/4 or 1/2 cup of bean dip. And with us having 4 different wraps, you can definitely load it up a little bit. Okay. Again, our avocado, our cheese, our bean, and our onion. Okay. And then also, we're going to go ahead and add some cabbage in. Some people that aren't a fan of cabbage, you can actually even leave this out if you needed to, but just a little bit even gives that flavor of the chipotle and the color that we're looking for. Now keep in mind, you could also do a little less in a wrap or use smaller tortillas for a snack versus a meal. Be a good idea. Okay. And then also, we have some cilantro as well as carrots. And we've got 1/4 cup of cilantro, so I'm just going to take a couple pinches of that, sprinkle it on. I love cilantro, especially fresh cilantro, which I picked yesterday at the grocery store. And then also I've taken 1 medium carrot and I have shredded it. I used my little hand grater at the house and got that really fine. Okay, and I love carrots. Okay, add that to there. And the colors are just amazing, the orange and the greens and the purples. Okay, so we're just going to take that and we're going to go ahead and wrap it up, stick it over on our plate. And I'm going to go ahead and take my knife and just cut that in half so that you can see all the various colors. So again, a quick and easy recipe for you and your family to enjoy. So if you're wondering what's for dinner tonight, remember us at Texas AgriLife Extension Service. And don't forget to like us on Facebook with more recipes to follow.